Beautiful morning weather. I'm supposed to fly in less than 2 hours. Fingers crossed. Hello everybody. Today I wanted to show you a navigation flight without the GPS to an airfield I've never flown to before. And I actually did it. I flew the whole flight following only the paper map. In one moment I was expecting to be over Dobrsberg airfield, and I couldn't see it due to the fog. And exactly the moment I wanted to check my position on my phone, I had a message from Vienna Information telling me to change the frequency to Prague Information. This meant that I'm at the border very close to Dobrsberg. So I called the Prague and kept flying. Nice save. The problem is that for a second time in a few weeks my GoPro corrupted another brand new SD card. I managed to salvage some footage, but not enough to show you the intermediate points and the moment I found the airfield. A moment I'm very proud of is lost forever. What I can share with you is some cool footage of me flying just above the clouds and a bit of Jindřichův Hradec and my tour around the town. So enjoy the video for now, and I will come back with a navigation challenge on some of the future flights. And if you have any suggestions of what camera should I buy to replace my unreliable GoPro Hero 9, let me know in the comments. Few minutes after landing, I'm already on the main square, and there is already one shop which caught my attention. Translated for you: some bicycles and guns in one shop. Interesting combination. Probably a must shot from the bridge with the castle behind me. To be a little bit my luck, I have workers around there. So far, really nice. The castle behind me. Going to find a coffee shop and read about it. Obviously, I did not prepare anything. Planning. So, hope they have some good coffee here and can read about the history of this place. Got inside, behind the walls. There is a museum, probably. There is no dogs, no smoking, Looks a bit deserted. It's early morning. Let's find a coffee shop first. There's a castle. There has to be a white lady. And if there is no white lady, at least a hotel called White Lady. Exploring. There's a museum here. Not sure I'll have a time to visit it. They're closing now and reopen at 1 p.m. and I should be slowly on my way back to the airport. Maybe. Okay, going to prove to you again that I can read. So from Wikipedia about Jindřichův Hradec. The predecessor of today's town was a Slavic god. The first written mention of Jindřichův Hradec is from 1220. The Gothic castle was built then. The current name Jindřichův Hradec is documented first in 1410, and after the 30 Years' War in 1654, nice number, 1654, Jindřichův Hradec was the second largest town in Kingdom of Bohemia with 405 houses. Today it's a bit strange because in the economy section it says that the town economy is focused mainly on services and the largest employer in town is the hospital. So the trip is halfway through. Seen the town. It's 20,000 people living there. Really nice, quiet place. I can imagine in the summer it's quite touristy, or over the weekends. Even this bar here should be open over the weekends. And the summer, it's definitely more people here. But today is November, middle of the week. It's a beautiful day, but still, most of the people are sitting in our office. So we'll fly slightly different route to Trebon over the lakes, and then more south around the restricted zone in Austria. Should be a bit more scenic and without the clouds this time.